Well, back out here. I'm over here above the city this time, just outside Sparks, I guess. Eagle Canyon, it's called. So yeah, basically, there's the city down there, Reno and Sparks, whatever, and then there's kind of basically I live in those houses over there, somewhere over there, in nowhere. And then there's some houses over there, but then back here it's just all BLM land. So yeah, just taking a little cruise out on a Sunday. The old Coleman. Got my helmet back, so I don't have to wear the little kid BMX one now, even though this one's not great either. But yep. So this road is definitely not like in the mountains or in the forest or whatever I should say. This is basically how the whole road looks, like that. Rocks, 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 literally rocks everywhere. So that kind of sucks, but it's still nice out. It's not too hot. Kind of don't even know what I look like, but whatever. Yeah, so I actually rode it on the street for the first time because there's no other way, because like I pointed out, those houses over there, you can't just like drive back here, so you gotta like drive all the way around, and it's stupid. But anyway, yeah, so that was fun. Maybe I'll record a little bit of that on the way home. Alright, well, took a little break here for a minute, let the bike cool off. So I'm gonna end up going that way. I mean, you can see that hill from here, and yeah, I don't know about you, but it's pretty steep, and I haven't gone up it yet, but I did go up one that was pretty much like that, and I barely made it. But also, I mean, for this thing, no mods. All I did was zip tie the governor thing, spring, whatever. I mean, it pulls, it goes up. You aren't going full speed, that's for sure, but when you're going up something like that, I mean, that's pretty decent grade. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it up, but we're gonna find out. Here we go. Holy shit, dude. That was crazy. I can't believe I made it up that. Dude, that shit's steep. Like, it's pretty steep. I look how far down the bottom is. Right down somewhere. I don't know, I can't see the phone. But yeah, anyway. Dude, that's pretty badass. So, just came back, or I just went farther, came down this hill. There's a pretty big drop off right there, and then it goes over to, what the fuck is that? I don't know if you can, where the hell is the road? Oh, right there. Yeah, that. I've been down there in the truck, and that shit's steep. There's no way I'm gonna make it up on this thing. I mean, but I just did some crazy shit. Like I honestly, like, I haven't driven out here on any of this kind of stuff. Like, I mean, the whole road is just bumpy. But going up that shit, dude, I was smashing up that shit. It felt it felt fun as fuck, actually. Like, this thing, I can't believe how easy it is. The big ass soft tires, though, definitely help. It keep you from just bouncing to your whole back to shit. But I actually just bought some new tires, so I'm gonna probably get those on soon. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna chill here for a minute, just look around. It's pretty nice scenery out here, except for this Mini X. I don't know what it's doing right here. I think it's just for to maintain this road for when it gets really wet and snow and shit out here. Or maybe they're just trying to make it better now, I don't know. But it's always been like this. Or they're digging this new road. I don't know what oh, probably fire break. That's probably what it is for the summer. Yeah, guaranteed, because there's one on that side too, it looks like they're starting to do. So that's probably what they're doing. Yeah, but anyway, look at that. You see that lone tree right there? It's pretty cool. Well, I made it back to basically the mouth of this place. You can see the city down there. Look at those clouds. That's pretty cool. It's like I don't know. Look at that cloud. That's a cloud. Alright. Anyway. Yeah, I'm just right here. I'm about to take off. About to go hit on the street. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to film that. It's just too sketchy on it, because I don't even think I'm supposed to be riding this thing on the street. But yeah, so I'll probably just end the video here. Thanks for watching.